This is a Gen 3 Raptor. It's big, it's fast, it's got some volume, it's just not quite right. So we're gonna fix that. Full catback, more flow, more aggression. Let's make this Raptor sound like it should. So here's what we're working with. Got a dual 3-inch system with an X pipe and valves for exhaust modes. Things I don't like, this pipe, quiet mode, is way too restrictive. This X pipe needs to be further forward in the system. And this silencer, it's just way too big. And don't even get me started on these tips. Here's the plan. Slash cut tips, dual 3-inch like the factory, move that crossover forward, and design a better silencer to work with the factory valves. So let's get going. So the exhaust is fully developed, on the truck, and tested. Let's go over the key features. Dual 3-inch piping. Smaller, freer flowing silencer with an internal crossover. Kept the valves and made the quiet mode much less restrictive. To finish off the system, we've added 5.5-inch slash cut tips available in either polished stainless or Cerakote black. Enough talking, let's go hear it.